Hey guys, it's Amy. I'm out in the West Valley checking out neighborhoods that have community pools. We're starting in Buckeye with Sienna Hills, Verrado, and Verrado's Victory. So let's get started. Let's jump on in. Sienna Hills includes a swimming pool with clubhouse, fitness center, splash pad, and spa. The master plan community of Verrado includes the Heritage Swim Park, which is a resort-style swimming pool with ramadas and barbecues. Verrado's other swim pools are located at the center on Main and are heated year-round. Victory is Verrado's active adult neighborhood. Victory residents get to enjoy their own pools, including a lap pool, a spa, and various pools nestled into the mountains. Hey guys, thanks for joining me as we check out neighborhoods here in Buckeye that have community pools. Next week I'm going to go out to Goodyear, and if you have any suggestions on places you would like me to go or amenities you would like me to highlight in neighborhoods, I would love to hear from you. And as always, if you have questions about homes here in the West Valley or the general market, I'm happy to help. Until next week, we'll see you then. Take care.